Hello, this is Sue. I'm 61 years old and I have traveled cross country 4 times in my Ford Transit Connect micro camper that I built. It's winter in New Hampshire and this is when I usually work on enhancing the functionality of the inside of my camper.
So I'm trying to get creative with the amount of space I have and how I can store things. And I have some space right on the side of this storage box that I made, and I'm going to put some recycled jean pockets there. And here are my jeans.
First, I needed to cut the pieces to fit. Next, I needed to trim and take it to my sewing machine and sew on a backing.
So here it is installed in the side pocket.
If you like what you see and want more of it, like and subscribe.